Why has this fruit been called medicine for thousands of years? Across civilizations, from ancient Egypt to classical Greece, the pomegranate has been more than just food, it's been a symbol of health and vitality, frequently referenced in medicinal texts and folklore. For centuries, its perceived power remained anecdotal, passed down through generations. But in our modern era, an era driven by scientific inquiry, we ask, what does the evidence truly suggest? Stay, the real answer is coming. We probe the claims, separate myth from fact, and follow where the research leads. Modern studies are beginning to shed light on the enduring reputation of the pomegranate. Research consistently shows that this vibrant fruit is remarkably rich in antioxidants. These compounds are crucial for human health, actively combating oxidative stress caused by free radicals in the body. Oxidative stress is implicated in cellular damage, and its reduction is a key area of preventive health. The sheer concentration of these protective agents positions pomegranate as a significant dietary inclusion, according to numerous scientific investigations. To understand the pomegranate's impact, we must first understand antioxidants themselves. These are molecules that fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals are unstable atoms that can damage cells, contributing to aging and diseases. Attributing specific benefits to broad categories of compounds requires careful analysis. Studies indicate that pomegranate contains a unique blend of these protective compounds, including various polyphenol, which are particularly potent. This diverse antioxidant profile is what many researchers highlight when discussing the fruit's potential health advantages. Beyond its general antioxidant capacity, a primary area of focus for pomegranate research is its potential to support heart health. Cardiovascular disease remains a leading global health concern, prompting significant investigation into dietary interventions. While definitive claims require extensive long-term human trials, preliminary studies and ongoing research indicate promising links between pomegranate consumption and various markers of cardiovascular well-being. This suggests a potential role for the fruit in a heart-healthy diet, although it is not presented as a cure or standalone treatment. The connection between pomegranate's antioxidants and heart health is a significant line of inquiry. Oxidative stress is known to contribute to processes like arterial plaque buildup. By neutralizing free radicals, the antioxidants in pomegranate, as indicated by research, may play a role in mitigating this stress. This action potentially contributes to better vascular function. While studies are ongoing, the hypothesis is that a diet rich in these compounds, like those found in pomegranate, supports the intricate mechanisms that keep our cardiovascular system functioning optimally. Moving beyond the juice, the often discarded seeds of the pomegranate hold their own nutritional story. These small, jewel-like arils are not just vehicles for sweet juice, research confirms they are packed with a unique nutritional profile. While often overlooked, the seeds contribute significantly to the fruit's overall health benefits. Their composition includes specific components that differ from the juice alone, suggesting that consuming the whole fruit might offer a broader spectrum of dietary advantages. This comprehensive nutritional package is what makes the pomegranate a standout. One key component attributed to pomegranate seeds is their rich fiber content. Dietary fiber is vital for digestive health and contributes to feelings of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Unlike the filtered juice, consuming the whole arils means ingesting this beneficial fiber. Studies recognize fiber's role in supporting gut microbiome health and its indirect benefits for overall well-being. This is an important distinction when considering the nutritional value of different forms of pomegranate consumption, as research consistently points to the advantages of whole food fiber. Beyond fiber and antioxidants, the research indicates pomegranate seeds also provide an array of essential micronutrients. While specific concentrations can vary, studies confirm the presence of vitamins and minerals crucial for various bodily functions. These micronutrients work synergistically with the fruit's other compounds, contributing to its holistic health profile. It's a testament to nature's complexity that such small components deliver a significant nutritional punch, reinforcing the idea that the whole fruit often offers more comprehensive benefits than isolated parts, according to nutritional science. A common debate revolves around whether pomegranate juice offers the same benefits as the whole fruit. Research highlights distinct differences in their nutritional profiles and how the body processes them. While pomegranate juice is celebrated for its concentrated antioxidants, the process of juicing typically removes the fiber-rich pulp and seeds. This fundamental distinction influences nutrient delivery and absorption. Our investigation considers what the science truly says about choosing between these two popular forms of consumption, exploring the trade-offs each presents for health. Pomegranate juice is often lauded for its high concentration of antioxidants. Studies show that when the fruit is pressed, many of its potent polyphenol are released into the liquid, making it a convenient way to consume these beneficial compounds. For individuals seeking a quick and accessible source of antioxidants, the juice presents a compelling option. However, researchers also point out that while concentrated, the juice lacks other elements present in the whole fruit, leading to a nuanced understanding of its overall health impact compared to its unprocessed counterpart. Conversely, the whole pomegranate offers a whole food matrix advantage, as described in nutritional research. This means that all components, the seeds, the pulp, and the juice, work together, potentially enhancing the absorption and efficacy of its nutrients. The fiber in particular plays a crucial role, influencing digestion and the glycemic response. While processing juice can concentrate certain compounds, consuming the entire fruit ensures you receive the full spectrum of its beneficial components, a holistic approach favored by many dietary guidelines based on scientific evidence. One important consideration when comparing juice to whole fruit is sugar content. While pomegranate contains natural sugars, juicing removes the fiber that helps moderate their absorption. This means pomegranate juice, like other fruit juices, can lead to a faster spike in blood sugar levels compared to consuming the whole fruit. Researchers advise moderation for juice consumption, particularly for individuals monitoring blood glucose. The whole fruit, with its intact fiber, provides a more sustained energy release, a distinction supported by dietary science. For many, the perceived difficulty of eating a pomegranate deters consumption. However, incorporating this fruit into your diet is simpler than it seems. The most common method involves deasting, a process that separates the edible arils from the bitter white pith. Research into food preparation often acknowledges that ease of access can significantly impact dietary adherence. Learning a few simple techniques can unlock the fruit's benefits, making it a regular, enjoyable part of a health-conscious lifestyle. As evidence suggests, practical methods increase fruit intake. Once deased, pomegranate arils are incredibly versatile. One popular and visually appealing way to enjoy them is by adding them to salads. Their sweet tart flavor and crunchy texture provide a delightful contrast to greens, cheeses, and nuts. This integration enhances not only the taste but also the nutritional profile of a meal, adding a burst of antioxidants and fiber. Culinary science often emphasizes how combining diverse ingredients amplifies nutrient intake and palatability, making pomegranate an excellent addition to everyday dishes. Pomegranate's versatility extends beyond sweet applications. Its unique flavor profile makes it an excellent addition to savory dishes. Consider incorporating arils into grain bowls, sprinkled over roasted vegetables, or as a garnish for grilled meats and fish. The tartness cuts through richness, while the texture adds complexity. This culinary adaptability means the benefits of pomegranate can be enjoyed across a wide range of meals, expanding dietary options, a principle supported by nutritional studies advocating for diverse food choices. For those with a sweet tooth, pomegranate arils can elevate desserts and serve as a refreshing snack. Sprinkle them over yogurt, oatmeal, or even incorporate them into baked goods like muffins or tarts. Their natural sweetness and vibrant color make them a healthy and attractive garnish. As a snack, a handful of arils offers fiber and antioxidants, a more nutritious alternative to processed sweets. Dietary research often promotes natural, whole fruit options for curbing sugar cravings, aligning perfectly with pomegranate's role. The enduring perception of pomegranate as a medicinal fruit dates back millennia. Ancient cultures, through observation and empirical knowledge, attributed powerful healing properties to it. Modern science, however, seeks to validate these ancient beliefs with rigorous methodology. While the specific mechanisms weren't understood then, the consistent presence of the fruit in traditional medicine across diverse cultures provides compelling historical context. Our investigation highlights how contemporary research is now unraveling the scientific basis behind this long-held reverence. Research continues to identify and characterize the specific antioxidant compounds present in pomegranate. While we refer to them broadly, studies delineate a complex array of polyphenol, flavonoids, and other bioactive molecules. This intricate composition is key to understanding its multifaceted health effects. It's not just one compound, but the synergistic action of many working in concert, that researchers believe gives pomegranate its potent antioxidant capacity. This detailed understanding helps us move beyond general claims to more precise scientific explanations. When discussing heart health, research is actively exploring the specific mechanisms by which pomegranate's compounds may exert their beneficial effects. Beyond general antioxidant action, studies are looking into potential impacts on endothelial function, the lining of blood vessels, and anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is recognized as a key contributor to cardiovascular disease. The ability of pomegranate to potentially mitigate these factors, as suggested by preliminary findings, provides a clearer picture of its role in cardiovascular well-being. This investigative path is critical for future medical applications. Revisiting the pomegranate seeds, it's important to emphasize that their nutritional contribution extends beyond what is typically found in the surrounding aril pulp. Research has identified specific fatty acids within the seeds that possess unique properties. While often discarded, these components contribute to the fruit's comprehensive health profile. This highlights a crucial aspect of whole food nutrition. Often, the less obvious parts of a fruit or vegetable hold significant, distinct benefits that are lost when only consuming processed components. The seeds are a case in point. The quality of pomegranate juice can vary significantly depending on processing methods. Research indicates that factors like heat pasteurization can influence the stability and bioavailability of its antioxidant compounds. Not all pomegranate juices are created equal. Consumers should be aware of whether they are purchasing 100% pure juice or products with added sugars or other ingredients. This investigative approach stresses the importance of sourcing and understanding processing to ensure you are truly harnessing the fruit's concentrated benefits as indicated by scientific studies. While pomegranate demonstrates promising health benefits, it's crucial to contextualize its role within a broader, balanced diet. No single fruit or food can act as a panacea. Research consistently emphasizes that overall dietary patterns, rich in diverse fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, are paramount for long-term health. Pomegranate is a valuable addition to such a diet, contributing its unique nutritional assets, but it is not a substitute for a varied and wholesome eating strategy, a point reinforced by public health nutrition guidelines. The scientific journey into pomegranate's benefits is far from complete. Researchers are continually exploring new avenues, including its potential roles in areas beyond heart health and antioxidant activity. This includes preliminary investigations into its compounds' effects on cognitive function or certain aspects of cellular regeneration. While these are emerging fields and require much more rigorous study, they underscore the ongoing scientific interest in this ancient fruit and its complex biochemical properties. The future of pomegranate research promises deeper insights. While antioxidants are a primary driver of pomegranate's purported heart health benefits, researchers are also considering other factors. The fruit's rich potassium content, for example, contributes to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, as recognized in broader nutritional science. While not a direct antioxidant effect, it's another component contributing to cardiovascular well-being. This multi-pronged approach to understanding pomegranate's effects is crucial, moving beyond singular mechanisms to appreciate the full spectrum of its physiological impact, according to ongoing studies. When we speak of real evidence regarding pomegranate, we refer to peer-reviewed scientific studies published in reputable journals. This evidence ranges from in vitro, test tube, and animal studies to human clinical trials. While impressive, it's important to differentiate between promising preliminary findings and definitive, large-scale, placebo-controlled human studies. The collective body of research, however, consistently points to a strong antioxidant profile and encouraging indicators for heart health, forming the bedrock of our current understanding, as per scientific consensus. For those looking to incorporate pomegranate into their diet, a common question arises: how much is enough? While no official daily recommended intake exists specifically for pomegranate, most studies that show benefits often use consistent, moderate consumption. This typically translates to a portion of arils daily or a moderate glass of 100% pure pomegranate juice. As always, dietary guidelines emphasize variety and moderation over excessive intake of any single food. Listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, as research indicates. The strength of pomegranate's antioxidant capacity lies in its diversity. It's not just one type of antioxidant, but a symphony of compounds working together. This includes hydrolyzable tannins, anthocyanins, and other complex polyphenol, as highlighted in biochemical analyses. This rich array means it targets free radicals through multiple pathways, potentially offering broader protection than fruits with a more limited antioxidant spectrum. Research in phytochemistry consistently points to the benefits of such diverse compound profiles in natural foods. At the core of pomegranate's ancient reputation and modern scientific interest is its capacity to support cellular health. The antioxidant action directly protects cells from damage, a fundamental process for preventing various health issues. This protection is not just theoretical, it's observed in cellular studies and forms the basis for many of the fruit's more specific health claims, including those related to heart health. By fortifying cellular integrity, pomegranate contributes to overall physiological resilience, according to extensive biological research. Pomegranate cultivation spans numerous regions globally, indicating its adaptability and widespread appreciation. From the Middle East to California, its presence in various climates allows for consistent availability. This global reach has also facilitated diverse cultural uses and, consequently, a broader range of research studies conducted worldwide. The consistency of findings across different research groups and populations strengthens the evidence base for its health benefits, demonstrating its universal appeal and biological efficacy, as supported by international agricultural and health studies. Research into pomegranate seeds reveals the presence of unique beneficial oils. These are distinct from the antioxidants found in the juice and are being studied for their potential contributions to health, often related to their anti-inflammatory properties. This further underscores the importance of the whole fruit, where every component contributes to the overall nutritional synergy, as per emerging scientific studies. These oils, along with other seed components, demonstrate the holistic value of consuming the pomegranate in its entirety. The process of pasteurization, while essential for food safety and shelf life, can subtly alter the nutritional profile of pomegranate juice. Some studies have investigated whether heat treatment impacts the integrity or bioavailability of certain delicate antioxidant compounds. While often minimal for overall benefit, it's a detail that rigorous scientific inquiry considers when comparing fresh fruit to processed juice. Understanding these nuances helps consumers make informed choices and researchers refine their understanding of optimal consumption methods. To reiterate the importance of the seed's fiber content, modern nutritional science increasingly emphasizes the role of gut health in overall well-being. The dietary fiber found abundantly in pomegranate arils acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, enhanced immune function, and even mood regulation. Therefore, consuming the whole fruit contributes significantly to this crucial aspect of health, a benefit largely absent in filtered pomegranate juice, as recognized by microbial research. When evaluating antioxidant capacity, fruits are often measured using various indices. While specific numbers can vary between studies and methodologies, pomegranate consistently ranks highly among fruits. This high antioxidant score, attributed to its unique blend of polyphenol and other compounds, is a cornerstone of its scientific reputation. It signifies a potent ability to neutralize free radicals, making it a valuable contributor to a diet aimed at reducing oxidative stress, a finding that permeates numerous nutritional analyses. The very name pomegranate carries historical weight. Derived from the Latin pomegranatum, meaning seeded apple, it perfectly encapsulates the fruit's defining characteristic. This ancient nomenclature speaks to centuries of human interaction and appreciation for its distinctive structure and abundance of seeds. While the etymology doesn't directly inform its medicinal properties, it grounds the fruit in a rich cultural and botanical history, connecting its past reverence to modern scientific exploration of those very seeds and their benefits. Ultimately, the research on pomegranate points towards its value as a highly nutritious addition to a healthy lifestyle. Whether you choose the whole fruit for its fiber and full spectrum of nutrients, or the juice for its concentrated antioxidant punch, incorporating it can be a simple, delicious step. The key takeaway from our investigation is that the ancient wisdom surrounding this fruit is increasingly substantiated by modern scientific inquiry. It's a bridge between traditional knowledge and contemporary health science, inviting mindful consumption. Our journey through the research reveals that the pomegranate's millennia-old reputation as a medicinal fruit is not merely folklore. Modern science, through rigorous investigation, confirms its extraordinary richness in antioxidants and identifies its potential to support cardiovascular health. From the fiber-rich arils to the concentrated juice, each component offers distinct benefits, all underpinned by credible scientific evidence. This investigative dive reaffirms the power of natural foods when understood through the lens of empirical research, bridging ancient reverence with contemporary validation. One old fruit, real science behind it. Try it today.